you can do this. It may or may not work well. So a while back I bought a couple of baby knitting books from an antique knick-knack kind of shop, and this one I got for 10p, and it's falling apart a little bit, but we'll manage. It's called the Beehive Baby Book, Knitting for the First 6 Months. Instructions for socks on. If I missed the page, I missed the set fair and warm, a matching dress and matching jacket. What a happy looking baby. And look at the detail on that. Smocked yoke and picot edges are dainty. That's 3 ounces of 3-ply. I did actually manage to track down some 3-ply. I'll take it this is a matching jacket. I've never even got patterns for the socks. All rough stuff. This is really falling apart, this book. First rompers. A larger size is shown on page 35. Again, 3-ply baby yarn. Oh, they're supposed to look a bit. Nice long sleeves on that one too. Collared and cabled. These things must be a real labour of love. There's so much detail on such a little item. You can get the little slippers on the page. I've lost the total for that one. Maybe the same one. Neat and necessary, a group of fundamentals. You've got a vest. See, when I think of baby vest, I think of the all-in-one, like the onesies, I suppose you call them. Not like this. I want little plain pilch, so little baby nappy covers to go over your plastic nappy covers or your disposable ones now, I suppose. Children's sock. I'll take my exercise like this. Okay. A strap. I suppose that's to keep the umbilical cord safe and out the way, not being caught. A boy and girl affair. That's pretty. It's a girl's coat. So, a little bonnet, mittens, hats, little leggings, a coat and a mutton jacket. Oh, sorry, breechettes, they're called. Choose your set from these 8 designs. So pick and mix up what you fancy, I suppose. Oh, this, the Beehive Baby Parade. So this would be like this with a smock top. They look completely different from the patterns themselves. Oh yes, this is how I feel when somebody talks to me in the morning when you haven't provided coffee first. This is no way to treat a girl. Totally agree, my love, totally agree. This one is me after coffee. It takes a lot of this to upset me. I'll take away my coffee, you will upset me. Shawl, 45 inches by 45 inches. Pixie hood. It's a nice pattern. The cabled or again 3-ply yarn. That has got to take ages. 307 stitches. Wow. In the modern manner. Grown-up cardigans are worn by all the best babies. There's a picture of it. That's still work in this day and age, I'm sure it would. Waistline freedom from page 34. I really hate it. Well, not hate it, but it really bugs me when we have to flip backwards and forwards to find its parts to pattern. Waistline freedom in the single button matinee coat. Cute. A small romper. Oh, that's a bigger romper then. Second romper, sleeved and stepped front are cabled. Pretty. Head shawl, 30 inches square. Okay. Cot cover. Cardigan. Make myself go dizzy. Oh, minor classic firm fabric cardigan. Good morning duck. Simple matinee coat. Again, all 3-ply. My great aunt used to call people that, my duck. And she used to knit like you would not believe. I think I knit slow. And people tell me, no, don't you knit quite fast. But compared to my great aunt, everybody knits slow. Not a good angle now. But a nice little booklet. Patterns and Baldwin's Limited, P&B. Published with all rights reserved. There's quite a lot of things in this. 1 6, which I've got no idea what that is in. Is it 1 shilling and 60? Anyway, I paid 10p for it and I think that was a bargain. And I was that impressed by some of the patterns. I even bought a ball of 3-ply yarn. And I look at it and think it's going to take years and years, but when you think people did used to knit up with it regularly, it makes you think in all this modern times of where we are supposedly saving time with all these modern gadgets, how much time or how much less time we've got now compared to then. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with that and let you get on because I've rubbed it on for nearly 9 minutes about this, and I'm going to have to go back to this place soon and see if they've got any more little treasures. But for now, take care, have fun and stay crafty. Bye.